this is Myra from Finishing School. I have 25 years of experience teaching English and also working in call centers. I'm here to help you learn English step by step. I also love cooking, gardening, and reading. Let's start this journey together. Learning English can be easy and enjoyable. So today we're going to talk about numbers. And at the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn how to say numbers from 11 to 100, practice the pronunciation of teen and t in numbers, and use numbers in different ways. Are you ready? So numbers in different ways. How can we see numbers? We can see numbers for telling time. We can use numbers for telling dates. We can use numbers for saying prices. For phone numbers like 586-329-0568. For transportation, for example, your flight number is 302. We can also use it for discounts like 20%. Measurement. Now let's practice some numbers. I want you to listen and repeat. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Now let's practice. What number is this? 11. What number is this? 12. What number is this? 13. What number is this? 14. What number is this? 15. What number is this? 16. What number is this? 17. What number is this? 18. What number is this? 19. What number is this? 20. You may hear it as 20 for British English. Now listen and repeat. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30. Now let's practice. What number is this? 21. What number is this? 22. What number is this? 23. What number is this? 24. What number is this? 25. What number is this? 26. What number is this? 27. What number is this? 28. What number is this? 29. What number is this? 30. So how did that go? I hope it went great. Let's continue with our practice. Listen and repeat. 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100. Or we can also say 100. Now let's practice. What number is this? 30. What number is this? 40. What number is this? 50. What number is this? 60. What number is this? 70. What number is this? 80. What number is this? 90. What number is this? 100 or 100. Great job! I'm pretty sure you did fantastic. Now we're going to practice the difference between te and teens. We say teens for the smaller numbers and we say te for the bigger numbers. So here we go. Listen and repeat. 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. Now let's do a little bit of practice. I will say the number and you practice saying what it is, okay? So here we go. 18, 'Now you go. What number is this? 60. What number is this? 14. What number is this? 70. What number is this? 50. What number is this? 30. What number is this? 80. What number is this? 19. I hope you got all of them. So here we go. Let's continue. So now we're going to practice saying some quantities. Whenever we want to know the quantity of something, we ask questions with how many. So here we go. I'm going to give you the first example. How many apples do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples. So we can say, I see 8 apples. How many hearts do you see? Let's count them. I see 11 hearts. How many eggs do you see? I see, let's count them, 12 eggs. How many markers do you see? Let's count them. I see 7 markers. So now we're going to practice the difference between before and after. So this is before and this is after. Okay, for example, 71 is before 72. And this is after. So we can say that 73 is after 72. So now let's practice. So what number is before 94? It would be 93. What number is before 93? 92. What number is before 92? 91. What number is before 91? 90. I hope you did great with that. Now let's practice after. What number is after 13? 14. What number is after 14? 15. What number is after 15? 16. What number is after 16? 17. Great job. Let's continue. Now we're going to practice how to say some prices. Listen and repeat. $100. $3.50. $3.50. $10.50. $10.50. $80.32. $80.32. Okay, so now let's practice. Now you will say, take a look at the following prices and you will say what each one is, okay? So what is the first one here? $6.25. The second one is $85. Now let's look at number 3. That would be $15.15. Now let's take a look at number 4. How much is that? $76.32. Now let's take a look at number 5. $88.20. And the last one is $3.50. I hope you did a fantastic job. So now let's practice saying how much. When I want to know the cost of something, I say, how much does it cost? So let's take a look. How much is the cauliflower? The cauliflower is $3.99. How much is the lettuce? The lettuce is $1.57. How much is the beefsteak? The beefsteak is $2.19. How much are the celery hearts? The celery hearts are $2.99. How much are the bagged avocados? The bagged avocados are $3.99. Excellent job. So let's continue. Now we are going to practice a shopping dialogue. I want you to listen and repeat. I need some bananas, some cookies, some cheese, and some jam. Oh, let's go shopping. How much are the bananas? They are $2.99. How much are the cookies? They are $4.49. How much is the cheese? The cheese is $15.99. How much is the jam? The jam is $8.29. Great! Let's go shopping then. Now we are going to practice. I will be person A and you will be person B. I need some bananas, some cookies, some cheese, and some jam. How much are the bananas? How much are the cookies? How much is the cheese? How much is the jam? Great! Let's go shopping then. Okay, now you start. Let's go shopping. They are $2.99. They are $4.49. The cheese is $15.99. The jam is $8.29. Great job! Let's continue. Now let's take a look at some math symbols. Listen and repeat. Plus, plus, divided by, times, minus, equals. Now let's practice. So we can say 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 12 minus 2 equals 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Great job! Let's continue. Now it's your turn to practice. So how much is 10 plus 6? 16. How much is 5 times 2? 10. How much is 60 minus 30? 30. How much is 8 divided by 2? 4. How much is 80 plus 20? 100. Okay, now we're going to practice telling time. We also use numbers for telling time. So when we want to know what time it is, we say, what time is it? So let's practice. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4:30. What time is it? We can also say it's 4:30. We can use both 4:30 or 4:30. 4:15. What time is it? It's 10:15. Or we can also say it's 10:15. 1:45. What time is it? It's 11:45. Or we can say it's 15 to 12. Let's practice now. What time is it? It's 12:04. Or you can say it is 4:12. What time is it? It's 11:30. Or we can say it's 11:30. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Or we can also say it's 1 p.m. Or it is 1 a.m. It is 1 o'clock, or it's 1 a.m., or it's 1 p.m. But we cannot say, for example, we cannot say it's 1 o'clock a.m. or it's 1 o'clock p.m. That is incorrect. It is 5 to 3. We can also use numbers to say dates. So let's practice saying some dates. So when's your birthday? My birthday is on March 3rd. When is Independence Day in Guatemala? Independence Day is on September 15th. And when we say dates, we need to use ordinal numbers, but you're going to see that in the future. We also use numbers to say phone numbers. And in this case, we say it in a different way. Let's practice. So for O, we can say this number as a 0, or we can say this number as O. For example, we can say 202, or we can also say 202. Let's practice saying phone numbers. 256-885-2102. So we say them in small sections. First, we say 3, and then 4 numbers, and that would be for American phone numbers. So we would say it like this, 256-885-2102. Let's practice another one, 256-885-2152. And now, (515-328-6782). How do we say this one? (685-254-3612). How do we say this one? (685-254-3612). Now, tell us, what is your favorite number? So that was it for today. Thank you very much for your time. Bye. Until next time.